Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here. This video is being posted on Tuesday, October 19th, 2021. Today, in celebration of October being Physical Therapy Month, I'm coming to you from the Health Science Technology Center here on campus. Students and alumni, remember that tomorrow, Wednesday, October 20th, is our annual Fall Career Fair from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Employers will be set up in lab spaces across campus and in the Moffitt Student Center. Tomorrow is the day to dress to impress and have your updated resume in hand. Your future employer may be waiting to meet you. In honor of National Coming Out Day, the Johnson College Diversity and Inclusion Committee sponsored a food and supply drive for the NEPA Youth Shelter from September 27th to October 8th. The NEPA Youth Shelter is a local organization that provides emergency shelter and related services to unaccompanied youth. It is especially affirming to lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer youth, as this population constitutes a high percentage of unhoused youth in our area. Thank you to those faculty, staff, and students who donated food, drinks, and cleaning supplies. Students, did you know if you're struggling in your general education classes, the Johnson College Advising Team is here to help. Each week, workshops are held in the Academic Resource Center, located in our Moffitt Student Center on campus, to help you with classes such as algebra, English, and speech. To learn more about when each workshop is being held, please reach out to your academic advisor. When you succeed, we all succeed. I know it's only mid-October, but it's never too early for students to think about staying on track or getting ahead. That's why now is the time to think about enrolling in classes during Intersession 2021, which starts on December 12th. The class list is now available to current students on D2L. If you're interested in taking Intersession classes and don't have access to D2L or are ready to enroll, please get in touch with our advising team at advising@johnson.edu. December 12th will be here before we know it, so jump on this opportunity now. Last week, during a special update video, I announced that Johnson College is launching its 17th two-year Associate Applied Science degree program, Welding Fabrication Manufacturing Technology. Students can now enroll to start taking classes in fall 2022. We added the Welding Fabrication Manufacturing Technology program because of industry's demand for highly skilled welders in today's workforce. This program, along with our one-year welding academic certificate program, creates stackable options for potential students interested in entering the highly in-demand welding industry. If you or someone you know is interested in our new Welding Fabrication Manufacturing Technology program, please visit our website, johnson.edu, or contact our enrollment team at enroll@johnson.edu. Our next on-campus open house is right around the corner. It will be held Saturday, November 6th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you or someone you know is interested in attending our open house on November 6th, please visit johnson.edu/open house to learn more and register. It's the best way for interested students to get to know what a Johnson College hands-on education is all about. I'm looking forward to seeing many new faces on campus. As I mentioned, today, in celebration of October being Physical Therapy Month, I'm in the Health Science Technology Center, which is the home to our Physical Therapist Assistant program. This program prepares students to be competent and caring entry-level physical therapist assistants who work under the direction and supervision of a physical therapist in various settings. Graduates are ready to take the National Physical Therapy Exam for Physical Therapist Assistants. Physical therapy is a gratifying and diverse profession. Practicing physical therapist assistants can work in various settings, including hospitals, inpatient and outpatient rehabilitation settings, skilled nursing facilities, private practices, home health, and schools. Plus, if they choose, they can further their education in a variety of related fields. This week, I want to thank all of our industry partners who hire our Physical Therapist Assistant Program graduates. Those partners include Allied Services, Crawley Physical Therapy and Rehabilitation, Geisinger Viewmont Medical Labs, Mountain View Care and Rehabilitation Center, and Pro Rehabilitation Services. Industry is our students' campus. And now for my final note of the week. As we continue with Rocktober, I thought I would share my top 3 rock shows. When it comes to rock shows, it's all about energy for me, and these three don't disappoint. First up, the Killers. I had the opportunity to see them at Madison Square Garden in 2018, and they were amazing. It was great arena rock. Brandon Flowers' voice was crisp, the crowd sang along, and the band performed a great mix of classic songs and different versions of their songs. Next up is White Zombie. I have seen them more than once in small venues and large, and they always know how to bring it. Between their deep rock sound and onstage theatrics, their shows are most entertaining. I can't wait to see them again. And finally, my top rock show is Pantera. Like White Zombie, I have seen them several times. Their pure energy and talent as individual musicians and collectively as a band cannot be matched. I'm sad that I will not get to see them again because their shows were an experience like no other. Those are my top three. Please feel free to reach out and let me know yours. That's it for this week's presidential update video from the Health Science Technology Center. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week.